We're given with two congruent blue rectangles and one yellow square as shown. The diagonal of a blue rectangle measures 4 squared of 3 units. Find the total area of the figure. Let's discuss two solutions for this one. For the first solution, we denote the shorter leg of the rectangle as A and the longer leg as B. Notice that the side length of the yellow square should be B minus A, since it is basically the difference of the longer side of the vertical rectangle and the shorter side of the horizontal rectangle. Knowing the dimensions of the square and rectangles, we can definitely find the area. The total area is equal to the sum of the areas of the two rectangles and the area of the square. Area of a rectangle is length times width, so each rectangle has an area of AB. Area of a square is side square, so the square has an area of quantity B minus A squared. Expand the binomial, then simplify. We see that the total area is A squared plus B squared. But hey, we know that the Pythagorean theorem says that A squared plus B squared is equal to the square of the rectangle's diagonal. Knowing the length of the diagonal as 4 square root of 3, it immediately follows that A squared plus B squared equals the quantity of 4 square root of 3 squared. Simplify that to get 48. Therefore, the total area is 48, and that's our final answer. For the next solution, let's consider a less algebraic approach. Since the rectangles are congruent, their diagonals are congruent as well. We draw a diagonal for the horizontal rectangle as shown. Now this divides each rectangle into two triangles, and those two triangles are congruent. Note the acute angles of each right triangle. All green ones are congruent owing to the triangle congruence. All red ones are congruent as well. More importantly, the red and green ones are complementary. That is, they form a right angle when placed adjacent on one another. Now here comes the trick. Move the two triangles as shown to form another quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is definitely a rhombus because each side measures 4 square root of 3 units. Each angle of this rhombus consists of a red and green angle. As I've said, a pair of those results in a right angle. Therefore, not only is this quadrilateral a rhombus, it is also a square. The side of the square is 4 square root of 3. Therefore, the total area of the square is 4 square root of 3 squared, or 48. The area that this square covers is the same area that the original figure covers. Therefore, the total area we're looking for is 48. Hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content.